Valencia, with the Turia River winding lazily through an even terrain and a key position on the Mediterranean coast, it's a city bordered on three sides by irrigated and prosperous farmlands and mountains, and on the other, the Mediterranean Sea. It's blessed with warm weather almost 10 months of the year, and a culture that values, above all other things, green zones and a healthy lifestyle. These combined elements make the city ideal for the development and practice of cycling as a sustainable mode of transport. Valencians and visitors to the city love the open spaces, plazas, and outdoor cafes. In just 5 years, there's been more than a 20% increase in bicycle use in the city, added to more than a 21% increase in pedestrian traffic. Today, 76% of people navigating the city choose sustainable modes of transport, such as walking, cycling, and public transport. Over the past 6 years, Valencia has increased the infrastructure of bicycle paths and services from 165 kilometers to 190, with the goal of 211 kilometers by the year 2021. Improvements to the infrastructure and the creation of a more connected network of paths has increased the number of cyclists among the citizens of Valencia. Another step towards a better cycling environment has been the implementation of the 30 km/h zones in the city center and in historic areas. This has created a safer urban environment for cyclists and pedestrians alike. There is, overall, a deliberate leaning towards fostering spaces that value people, local commerce, and street life. Finally, the introduction and development of the public bicycle rental system, begun in 2010 and known as Valenbici, has helped boost cycling traffic in the city, with more than 45,000 registered users. But what else does Valencia have to offer? Valencia presents an excellent model of urban transformation to an environmentally friendly infrastructure. Leading this is the redesigned Turia River, which is now one of the largest urban parks in Europe, including such cultural icons as the Palau de la Música and the Prince Philip Museum of Science. But when we speak of Valencia, we mean more than just the city itself. We're also talking about the land and neighborhoods surrounding the city. The Huerta is one of these spaces, 12,000 hectares of farmland, connected by a network of ancient and medieval pathways, routes, and irrigation canals. The Albufera is another, an emblematic natural lagoon and a protected natural space with expansive biodiversity and wildlife. Finally, the renovation of the port of Valencia, the Valencia Marine, affords the community a new venue to interact with the Mediterranean Sea, including a new public plaza for citizens and visitors to use and enjoy. Valencia is working hard for the people and with the people through continuous transformations of its urban spaces to become a more sustainable and health-conscious city now and into the future.